Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reference a cell in Excel from another sheet. To begin, simply type an equals sign in the cell where you want your reference to appear. Next, click on the tab of the sheet that contains the data you wish to link. Then, select the exact cell you want to reference. Finally, press the Enter key, and Excel will automatically create the correct formula for you, displaying the value from the other sheet. You can also manually type your references. Start with an equals sign, then the sheet name followed by an exclamation mark, and finally the cell address. For example, to link to cell A1 on a sheet named Sheet 2, you would type equals Sheet 2, A1. If your sheet name includes spaces, remember to enclose the entire sheet name in single quotation marks, like equals my data. B5 for cell B5 on my data. Referencing entire ranges of cells from another sheet is incredibly useful for functions. For instance, if you want to sum the values from cells A1 to A10 on sheet 3, you would use the formula equals SUM, sheet 3, A1, A10. This technique applies to many other functions too, such as average, count, or max. Just ensure your sheet name and the cell range are accurately specified within the function's arguments for precise calculations. When referencing cells, always double-check your sheet names for any typos, especially if they contain spaces or special characters. Also, confirm that your cell reference, like A1 or B5, is precisely correct. A great feature is that Excel automatically updates your references if you move or rename a sheet. If you encounter broken links, the Go to Special feature can help you locate and fix them efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.